Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create and restore backup in VPS. Also, you can use this method to convert your VPS to newly created VPS, reset your VPS, reinstall OS in your VPS and troubleshooting your VPS. This method works on every cloud provider. If you know, there is built-in method for backup process in Oracle Cloud. But, if you have out-of-capacity error, you can't use built-in method. So, my method is the most important for Oracle Cloud users. Now let's talk about special things in my method. Works on every cloud provider. Can create any number of backups. There isn't size limit in backup. Don't need to install any software. Very simple process. It takes only less than 5 minutes. There are many other features. You can find them when using the method. First, I will show you that how to use built-in backup process in Oracle Cloud and reason for can't use it if you have out-of-capacity error. Next I will show you that how to use my method. So, let's start our work. Built-in backup process in Oracle Cloud. As I told before, let's see built-in method. First, go to your Oracle Cloud account. Now click on the 3 pieces of stripe in top left corner. Now click on Compute. Now click on Instances. Now you can see your instances list here. Remember the name of instance that you want to create backup. Now click on the 3 pieces of stripe. Now click on Storage. Now click on Block Volume. Now click on Boot Volumes. Now you can see list of boot volumes. Now you need to find boot volume that contains name of your instance. For this tutorial, I will choose this boot volume. Now click on the 3 dots. Click on Create Manual Backup. Type any name in name field. Now you need to choose type of backup. Click on Backup Type menu. You can see 2 backup types. Full backup mean it includes all changes since the volume was created. Incremental backup mean it includes only the changes since the last backup. So, I choose full backup. Click on Create Boot Volume Backup button. Now your backup is being created. Follow these steps to see your boot volume backups. Click on Boot Volume Backups. Now you can see boot volume backups here. Previously created backup is being created yet. I created another backups before. Now let's see that how to restore backup. I will choose previously created backup for this. Click on the 3 dots. Now click on Restore Boot Volume. Type any name in name field. Use these default settings. Now click on Restore Boot Volume button. Now what's happening is it's creating new boot volume. It doesn't modify current boot volume. It creates new boot volume instead. So for using this backup, you need to create new instance with this boot volume. This is how out-of-capacity error affects to this process. For finish this process, I will show you how to create instance using this boot volume. Click on Create Instance button. Now you can see Create Compute Instance page. You need to fill sections in this page as just you usually do. But, don't change image and shape section. You can see Test as image. It means that use our boot volume as image. So, now you can create your instance. I think now you can understand how built-in backup process in Oracle Cloud works. Now let's go to my method. My method. First you need to download zip file. This zip file contains files that used in this video. You can find zip file link in description. After you click on the download zip file of script link, you can see page like this. Click on link in the page. Now scroll down and you can see download zip file topic. As say in here, click on subscribe YouTube channel button and subscribe YouTube channel and come back here to download zip file. So, let's do it. Click on subscribe YouTube channel button. Now, you are going to my YouTube channel. Now subscribe my YouTube channel. If you didn't already subscribe it, you can't download zip file if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel. I don't do anything because I already subscribed. So, let's go back to that page. As say here, we can see zip file button after some time because I subscribed YouTube channel. But if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, you can't see zip file button. So, let's wait some time. Now you can see zip file button. Click on it. Now you are going to Mediafire website. Now you can download zip file here. A lot of Oracle Cloud users use Ubuntu as OS image in VPS. I also use Ubuntu. So, I tested my method only on Ubuntu. So if OS image in your VPS isn't Ubuntu, don't use this method and put comment on video. I will test this method on your OS image and give instructions. Okay, now let's see how to create backup using my method. First you need to log in to your VPS. Unzip downloaded zip file. Open creating backup.txt file in unzipped folder. Copy root access command. Go back to VPS and paste copied command and press enter. Now type password if you have added password before and press enter. Now you have full administrative privileges. Now go back creating backup.txt file. Now copy change directory command. Go back to VPS and paste copied command and press enter. Now you are in /directory. The /directory in Ubuntu is the top-level directory in the file system hierarchy. All other directories and files are located within the /directory. Go back to creating backup.txt file and copy downloading script command. Go back to VPS and paste copied command and press enter. You can see there is creating backup.sh file. Go back to creating backup.txt file and copy create screen command. Now go back to your VPS and paste copied command and press enter. Now press space. Screen is a terminal multiplexer. Screen allow the task to run in the background, even if you disconnect from the VPS. Go back to a creating backup.txt file, copy starting creating backup command. Go back to your VPS, paste copied command and press enter. Script is running now. This takes some time. If you interrupt this work, backup will be incomplete. Don't worry about these error messages. You can run this in background because of using screen. To do it, press Ctrl+A+D. Go to creating backup.txt file. Copy reconnect to screen command. Go back to your VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. If you only have one screen, this command take you to your previous screen. But if you have more than one screen, this command shows list of available screens. So, you need to add name of the screen to that command and press enter. You can see your previously created screen on top of list. Creating backup is completed. It took about 8 minutes. Now I am using AMD Micro VPS. So, you can do this more faster in Ampere VPS. Now you can see that there are 2 new files. You need to use these 2 files for restoring backup. You also need SSH private key that you are using now because after you restored this backup, you need to use it for access your VPS. So, you need to put backup.tar.gs, fileslist.txt and SSH private key files in safe place. For easy storing them, you can create a zip file putting these 3 files. Now we can terminate previously created screen because our work is done. Go to creating backup.txt file and copy terminate screen command. Come back to your VPS and paste copied command and press enter. You can see that size of my backup is about 3.5 gigabytes. Size of my storage is 45 gigabytes and usage is 12 gigabytes. Make sure that there is enough space for creating backup. If you created backup in newly created VPS, you can use that backup for converting VPS to newly created VPS, resetting VPS, reinstalling OS in VPS and troubleshooting VPS. So, I recommend you to create backup when you newly create VPS. After you store backup.tar.gs, fileslist.txt and SSH private key files, you can delete backup.tar.gs, fileslist.txt and creating backup.sh files. Go to creating backup.txt file, copy delete files command. Go back to your VPS and paste copied command and press enter. You just saw how to create a backup. Next we are going to see how to restore a backup. If you restore a backup that created from newly created VPS, your VPS will be newly created VPS. This means resetting VPS, reinstalling OS in VPS and troubleshooting VPS. So, I created backups from newly created VPS for you. You can use these backups to converting to newly created VPS, resetting VPS, reinstalling OS in VPS and troubleshooting VPS. So, let's see how to do it. First log in to your VPS. Next, open restoring backup.txt file in extracted folder, copy root access command. Go back to VPS and paste copied command and press enter. Now type password if you have added password before and press enter. Now you have full administrative privileges. Now go back to restoring backup.txt file. Now copy change directory command. Go back to VPS and paste copied command and press enter. Now you are in /directory. The /directory in Ubuntu is the top-level directory in the file system hierarchy. All other directories and files are located within the /directory. Now go to restoring backup.txt file and copy downloading script command. Go back to your VPS and paste copied command and press enter. You can see a restoring backup.sh file. Now you need to put your backup files here. For this, I am going to use backups that I created for you. So, go to restoring backup.txt file. Just focus on this part. AMD micro means this shape. Ampere means this shape. If your VPS shape is AMD micro, you need to use these backups. If your VPS shape is Ampere, you need to use these backups. Ubuntu 18.04 means this image. Ubuntu 20.04 means this image. Ubuntu 22.04 means this image. You can use these backups on every image build versions of these images. If your VPS image isn't here, tell me. I will upload a backup for it. My current VPS is AMD Micro Ubuntu 20.04. So, I copy this link. Now go to link. If you use mobile device, use desktop mode. You can see page like this. Now you need to copy link of download button. Right-click or long press on download button. Click on copy link address. Go back to restoring backup.txt file. Now replace URL text in downloading backup files command from copied link. Now copy downloading backup files command and go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Now you can see backup files. If you don't have enough space to put backup files in your VPS, you need to run script only with fileslist.txt file. This creates enough space for backup.tar.gs. So, after that, you can run script again with both files. Go back to restoring backup.txt file and copy create screen command. Now go back to your VPS and paste copied command and press enter. Now press space. Screen is a terminal multiplexer. Screen allow the task to run in the background, even if you disconnect from the VPS. For seeing effectiveness of this script, I will show you current situation in my VPS. Let's see user firewall settings. You can see some ports are opened. Now let's see about softwares. You can see I already installed Apache Web Server. Now let's see about user accounts. You can see that I don't have Ubuntu user account. So, let's start script and see what happens to these things. Go back to restoring backup.txt file. Copy starting restoring backup command. Go back to your VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Script is running now. This takes some time. If you interrupt this work, your VPS will be crashed. This takes some time. After script is successful, your VPS will be automatically rebooted. After reboot is complete, log in to your VPS. If you used a backup that created by you, you need to use the SSH private key that you saved. If you used a backup that created by me, you need to use SSH private key in extracted folder and username as Ubuntu. After you logged into your VPS, go back to restoring backup.txt file and copy root access command. Now go back to your VPS and paste copied command and press enter. Now go back to restoring backup.txt file and copy updating packages command. Now go back to your VPS and paste copied command and press enter. This command updates packages in Ubuntu. Sometimes you can see an error like this after running this command. Follow this step to fix it. Go back to restoring backup.txt file. Copy fixing error command and go back to your VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Now run previous command again. You can see error is fixed. Backup process is now completed. Let's see how effectiveness of script. You can see user firewall is disabled. Now let's see about Apache Web Server. You can see it is uninstalled. Let's see about user accounts. You can see Ubuntu user account. You can see now that this VPS is like a newly created VPS. Now we need to change SSH public key in your VPS because everyone can get its corresponding SSH private key. For that, we need to generate a new SSH public and private key pair. There are a lot of ways to do it. I will show you the easiest way. Go to Create Compute Instance page in your Oracle Cloud account. Click on Save Private Key and Save Public Key. Now you have new SSH private and public key pair. Now let's add this. Go to restoring backup.txt file. Copy editing SSH public key command and go back to your VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Now you need to put your SSH public key here. You need open a file previously downloaded that name contains key.pub using your text editor. Copy all texts in that file and go back to your VPS. Paste copied texts and press Ctrl+X. Now type Y and press enter. Now we need to remove backup files and bash script because our work is done. If you want, you can put these backup files in safe place for future restoration processes. After putting them, you can delete them from your VPS. Back to an restoring backup.txt file. Copy delete files command. Go back to your VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Backup files were deleted now. Let's restart VPS. Go back to restoring backup.txt file. Copy rebooting VPS command and go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. After rebooting is completed, log in to your VPS with new SSH private key. Now you can use your VPS. So, I think now you know everything about this method. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Like and share my videos.